Hey boys and girls, I'm over here with Billy North. He just loaded me up and we got a whole bunch more Roma green beans. Look at all them green beans right there. We're gonna take them to the house and separate them out. Got a whole truckload. Take a look at this tobacco. This tobacco, they're already putting it in the tobacco barns right now to dry it out, but it's done. And these guys are working their butt off. They are just working hard to get this in. Take a look at this tobacco. Remember the pictures I gave you earlier? Look at that. Man, you talk about it. This is cool. Really cool. Beautiful Kentucky tobacco right here. Just gorgeous. The plant's big. The plant comes up to about my neck. That's how tall they are. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Take a look. I don't know if you can. I messed that up right there, but you can see how tall these plants are, and they're real leathery feeling. They're real strong plant. Okay, have a great day from Cynthiana, Kentucky. Take care. There's my boy Billy North right there.